As I stand before you tonight, my heart is filled with warmth and nostalgia, reflecting on the incredible journey we've shared at Holy Spirit Academy of Lawag. It seems like just yesterday that we walked these halls, filled with laughter, friendship, and the spirit of sisterhood. Nakakamiss balikan ang dati nating paaralan na kung saan tayo ay na-train na maging flexible sa kahit anong pagsubok na ihampas sa atin ng panahon. Nakakatuwa na sa pagkakataong ito ay muling nanunumbalik sa kilala nating pangalawang tahanan. Nax, Tagalog, Binibining Flores, baka naman po. We gathered here not just as former students, but as a family bound by the memories we created together. Each of us carries a piece of this beautiful institution within us. Lessons learned, friendships forged, and experiences that shape who we are today. We were nurtured in an environment that encouraged us to dream big and empowered us to pursue our passions fearlessly. As we reminisce about our time at Holy Spirit Academy, I am reminded of the countless moments that defined our years here. The early morning assemblies or sometimes habulan with Manang Agnes sa front gate, the spirited prayers in between classes which were incorporated to us by our dear SSPS sisters, the English and Filipino informal and formal team that we had to write to help us hone our grammar and writing skills, and not to forget the must-be in cursive penmanship to which you need to tilt your head when you write it. The afternoon club meetings, the every year intramurals na kung saan magkakasama ang lahat ng mga magkaka-arty. That is why magkakakilala lahat noon ang mga estudyante. No one's left behind. The laughter shared during recess and lunch breaks with our dear manangs Ditas, Betty, Nita, and Johnny. The afternoon chats at the quadrangle after classes. At the same time, we get to help Manong Maxi and Manong Rodel in keeping the campus clean. The late night study sessions that brought us close together, and of course, not to forget the first Fridays and Sunday masses. These memories are treasures that we will carry in our hearts for a lifetime. Today, as we gather to celebrate our reunion, we also prepare ourselves for a new chapter. We are honored to receive the key of responsibility as the next host of the cherished reunion. This key symbolizes not just a duty, but a commitment to uphold the legacy of our beloved school. It is a testament to the bonds we shared and the responsibility we have to nurture to the connections we have built over the years. Let us embrace this opportunity with open hearts and open minds. Together, we can create an unforgettable reunion that honors our past while paving the way for future generations. It is our turn to pass on the torch of sisterhood, camaraderie, and shared experiences. As we look ahead, let us remember the values instilled in us at Holy Spirit Academy, the importance of kindness, respect, and perseverance. Let us carry these values with us as we work together to make our reunion a celebration of our journey, our growth, and the enduring spirit of our school. And before I forget, I would also like to thank Ma'am Mary Ang, because a while ago, she already pledged 10,000 for us next year. Before anything else, I also want to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to the incredible teachers who have prepared us for the challenges of college life and equipped us with the tools necessary to navigate the complexities of the world beyond these walls. Your lessons extended far beyond textbooks. They taught us critical thinking, resilience, and the importance of lifelong learning. You are the foundation of our success, and we are eternally grateful. In closing, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to Batch 1999 for hosting this year's reunion. Your hard work has paved the way for us, and we appreciate everything you've done. Gratitude also to each and every one of you for being a part of this beautiful tapestry of memories. Together, let us continue to support and uplift one another as we embark on this new adventure. Here's to rekindling old friendships, creating new memories, and honoring the legacy of Holy Spirit Academy of Lawag. May I take this opportunity to invite you all again next year as we host the next reunion. Once an HSAN, always an HSAN. Thank you.